This training guide will help you master the Kynection Aware module, allowing you to view and manage the visibility of all your GPS and AI camera devices. On the home dashboard, locate the Trackview or Aware module, then select View Map. Utilize the region filter to sort your assets by region. Use the category filter to organize your asset categories. Utilize the vehicle filter to locate a specific asset. The information icon, when clicked, will display a color legend that clearly indicates the current status of the vehicle. To activate satellite mode and enhance detail, select the Show Satellite Imagery option on the map. On the live map, you can view all your GPS-equipped assets, including connection hardware and third-party devices such as Geotab, Hitachi, and Caterpillar. For instance, let's select a vehicle to explore its details further. Access detailed information about the selected vehicle's status and history by viewing its details. The Trips tab offers comprehensive details about each vehicle journey, including start and end times, duration, locations, and the total number of events. The filter option enables you to view the vehicle's journey by trip, day, or week. The legend shows icons for ongoing and completed trips. Here's a comprehensive example of a vehicle's trip history, illustrating the various journeys and routes taken during a specified period of time. This information can be invaluable for understanding travel patterns, vehicle usage, and optimizing future routes. The activity report will provide a comprehensive overview of this specific asset's journey. If you're using our AI camera systems, the Events tab displays various incidents, including drowsy driving, speed violations, and more. The filter option enables you to refine your search by date range, type, and vehicle. You can create run reports by selecting the vehicle and date range. In this example, you can view a comprehensive report of a specific vehicle within the outlined date range, providing detailed insights and data regarding its performance and usage during that period. The Live Status tab enables you to monitor the status of each asset in real time. The Hardware tab enables you to view and manage the list of hardware devices assigned to each vehicle. The Geosites feature enables you to view and create geofence areas. Click the plus icon to add a new polygon. Please enter the name of your new site to specify the geofence area you are creating or modifying. Select the three dots to edit, editing the polygon shape of the geofence area. Please create and save the polygon. The Options tab enables you to configure additional settings for each section. Thanks for watching.